Hi there. Welcome to Sunday with Sarah. I'm Sarah Baldwin. I'm a Waldorf educator, the mother of 2 grown Waldorf graduates. I'm the author of Nurturing Children and Families, and now I'm the owner of Bella Luna Toys, an online resource offering families wooden and natural toys, crafts, and art supplies designed to develop a child's imagination and creativity. As a parent and teacher, I know how difficult it is raising children today. Whether you're a parent, a homeschooler, a grandparent, or a teacher, I'm here to share with you the knowledge I've gained in 20+ years of working with children, and I'm here to help make your life with children easier, simpler, less stressful, and more rewarding. So in coming videos, I'll be discussing parenting, education, the importance of imaginative play for children. I'll also share some craft tutorials and cooking tutorials. And most importantly, I'm here to answer your questions. So if you have a question for me, email it to sundaywithsarah@bellalunatoys.com, and I'll do my best to answer it in a future video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single episode. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I look forward to sharing more with you soon. Have a day full of play.